you go, buddy.
Another typical turbot tournament.
Think it ain't your thunderbolt. Pikachu,
No, pass. Names define character.
Hey, who asked you?
Telling your... Can I have some more cheese? Uh-oh, excuse me. Ah, you want the rest?
Hey, how'd you know about that?
What's going on? Hey!
And there go the biscuits.
Have one of mine. All of a sudden, food doesn't have its usual appeal.
We learn to either live off the land, or it lives off us.
Cravings, it's not good for the baby. You need to increase your spider intake so he'll be able to climb ceilings properly and eat lots of sheep bile.
At first, a tasty marshmallow. Then... oh no, it's on fire and ruined! But blow out the fire.
The grand final is about to start. A cheeky opener from Eggy. The champion responds. Such attention to detail. Oh, and there it is. There was always an outside chance that this might happen. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a new world.
Must you slurp so loudly?
Sorry, boss.